night in Curaçao, there's something that people go and buy food from. This used to be something like that. I changed it into this. What is it? Normally it has chairs. We go into the neighborhoods and the children get education. This is what you saw. I sent you the link.
Yeah.
I knew that iPad would be the way the children touching with the iPad would give them from moving from not knowing a computer, meeting Don Google, Mr. Google, that you ask him something. If we tell him right now, Michel Martelli, IT, see, it's already telling us a lot. Then I was giving them also something else, something the country didn't know. The air conditioning, the light, everything is on here. But how am I producing energy? Well, I'm doing it with solar. We have solar panels. I put an inverter. So when I am out there, I am not dependent of where there is electricity for me to tap. So this unit produces 14 kilowatts per day, enough. And then here, down there, you have batteries. It gives me 1 day.
14 kilowatt.
14 kilowatt.
Yeah.
So the children sit like this,
Yes.
and then the other one sits
The other
here,
one is here.
and we educate.
Wow. Yes.
Okay, and we learn. But then, turn the light, please.
Another
Just turn the light down.
Another 12 panels.
But here, what you have is, stand up. Look, batteries. So we thought of, here we have 2 days of battery. Why? Curaçao has 365 days of the year we have sun. You don't need to see the sun to have the sun energy. It can be light and we're producing energy. And you know why I know? Because I look at the inverter and the inverter shows me what is being produced. I don't need to see the sun. The solar panels, the cells recognizes the light and it produces. Here I have backup for rainy days. And actually what we do is, here we do in a day, because it runs from Monday to Friday from 2 to 6 p.m. We do every half an hour a group of children. We do per day with this, we do 40 children, and then with the other 24. In a month, we handle 1,000 children that we put them to meet internet and computer for the first time in their life. But translated, IT, independent classrooms. We don't do a truck like this. We do a big yellow bus.
Yes.
We convert it into a classroom, equip it with solar panels. Here, I'm showing you. You can do it. This is independent. There's no cable coming from the house. This is solar energy being produced. But here you see how you can use energy production, low, small scale, for the right things you need to do in the country. And
Yeah, and to bring assistance to the most needed, to the neediest.
Yeah. This one is the one that drives and it pulls the trailer. Then it drops the trailer in the neighborhood, and then this one goes to his neighborhood. We always go one side of the island and the other one goes the other side of the island.
So you can have the outside screen ran from the control computer.
Of course.
And showing you exactly.
Of course.
When we're not around, he doesn't sleep at all.
I mean, this is very ingenious. This is a lot of engineering goes into that.
But President, this is the way. Don't let nobody stop education in Haiti. If they don't come to education, education should go to them. And you are able to do it. I can help you, we can draw the plans, I can make this project better with a big bus. We'll turn around a bus that goes and bring transport to children. We'll convert a couple of them into buses.
I'll do the first one, then we'll go to them. So you send me the drawing, I'll deliver it to him. Oui, absolument. Non, mais pour ça. This is very easy.
You like it?